compression blowing into the pan, so I got this good total seal rings for it.
Okay. So,
Block is all clean.
so by
and ready to
cutting,
go together. You don't have to wash anything, touch anything, or do anything.
Okay.
All the plugs are back in the block. We take them all out when we clean it, clean all the galleries and everything. So everything is cleaned and ready to go. And this is the rings. There's your main caps and stuff. But these are your studs for your main.
right?
On here, this piece of paper tells you everything. It tells you exactly what it is. It tells you what the torque is, what your spring pressure is, what the torque your head's at 95 pounds. And to check the chem cards for installation, it'll tell you on your chem card what you install. I couldn't remember exactly.
I got the chem,
Got it.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the factory, it's completely balanced. And when you do the bolts are 50 pounds. The mains are 85 pounds. And when you check the crank, the end play in it, you should force it back and forth in there and check it. Should be a minimum of 4, maximum of 7 in there. And this is the type of ring you have there. It's a file to fit, 18 thousandths on the top, 18 a second, and 15 minimum on the scrapers.
Okay.
All there, and if anybody has any questions on it or anything, just tell them to call me.
Okay.
And then, now, when you worked on the block, did you have to, you save it, right?
We surfaced it and squared the deck.
Squared it,
So
yeah.
save all the way on both sides and then both surfaces of the seal kit.
Was it really off a lot?
Yeah. All factory cars, not all factories are a bunch of 10 or 12,000. I don't remember what the guys are, but I think it was 10,000 or so bigger on one side than the other.
Wow.
And to hone it, we honed it for the rings that you're going to put in there. So it's all completely, everything is new. Everything's perfect for you. And I'm trying to your balancer.
And the crankshaft, it was checked out.
Crankshaft is magged, been polished, everything is balanced to make sure everything's right. And here, this, when in your gasket set, you're going to get a rubber O-ring in your gasket set that you put goes in between there.
Right.
And here's all your rings. There's one that was
The old ones?
yeah, the O-ring. These your bearings. You'll use your bearings again. The bearings are great. There's no problem with them.
Okay,
you
good.
don't have to change those. And the rods, bearings are all perfect too. So you got it.
Yep.
Now there was, did you have to do any line boring like on?
No, the line bore was good. I believe I have to look at the card and see. But your pistons are all together.
Yeah.
All completely set up, and everything's ready to go. Cleaned. You shouldn't have to do a damn thing. Somebody clean all the stuff for me. So,
Great.
this is your time and set.
I know you're incredibly busy.
And there's your, don't lose that. That's your balance card. That tells you what all the balance is.
Oh yeah.
If you ever have to replace one piece or anything else, we know exactly what the pistons weigh, what everything. Okay, so you got
Okay.
all of that. So I don't.
So how did the ring break?
Well, we don't know. Nobody
Well,
knows.
I would say putting them in or putting them out. They're hard to go in. You probably put them in. Have you put them
No,
in?
no, we never. I've
You
never.
pull
I've
them
never
out.
done it before.
We just pulled them out. No.
Yeah.
Maybe-
We just real
maybe-
careful.
I mean, we
we
pulled
try to
the
be as
piston out.
careful and
Yeah.
we package
You
them, but
gotta be when you put the compressor on, the compressor brings it
Yeah,
down.
right.
And you gotta make sure it's square in the cylinder.
Yeah.
In the piston when you're doing it, just tap it around and it'll slip right in. It goes in.
Right.
Yeah. I don't know, there's one,
yeah, well, we got
Okay,
that.
good.
We got
one
that.
that's broken there anyway, someplace. I thought I'd leave.
Well, you know, I think I just remember turning over the motor before when we were taking it apart, just to get the rods and everything off. And I remember there was a scraping sound. Like I was wondering what that was, and I think it had a broken. The ring was broken, and I just didn't know it.
And George, I appreciate
There's
this.
the piece, there's the broken
Wow.
piece that was out of it. When we took it out, it came out in about 3 pieces.
Wow.
There's the other part of it. I know, put it in there somewhere. Well, I don't know. You can look at it.
You know,
There's
George,
another
we
piece
were
that's right
lucky
there.
to come to
It's
you.
one
Yeah.
ring. And I don't know how it got broken or whether they broke it when they put it together from the factory or whatever. But
Yeah.
you see that happen a
Yeah.
lot. And then,
Well, it's right up there with those bad form, those bolts, the rod bolt
Yeah.
twisted off at 30 pounds. It's like, but I'm just glad that you did all this. So now it's not going to be a bad surprise when we take it to
I gotta
Formosa.
put this in here with you.
Yeah, okay.
But you know, it just happens when you buy that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Rebuild or whatever it is, you never know exactly. It always says disassemble and inspect before starting. And that's what they mean.
Well, we bought it when it was in the car already.
Yeah.
So.
Well, the guy said, yeah, I paid $4,200 for it, a crate motor from Mopar Performance.
And
but-
I wanted a car to learn on, so I figured I've learned a lot.
Well, actually, you were probably pretty lucky you brought it all in like
Yeah.
it was.
Yeah.
I mean, you would
Oh.
probably put it together, wouldn't even paid any attention to it. The ring probably was in the piston. It didn't come out unless we took
Right.
it out to take it out, and then we see it's broken.
Yeah.
And you might not even have seen it if you just
No.
whatever and doing it. But
We wouldn't have, no, it would have been a disaster. And the rod, the rod bolts and the heads, when she was on doing the heads, some of them we broke. Wait, one break off? No, it didn't break off. They were so hard, they're over 100 foot-pounds, and some she broke just like that. There were that much difference in the torque on the heads.
yeah, you see that all the time.
So,
It's nice that you do superior
But now your gaskets are going to seal right because it's completely machined perfectly
Yeah.
on each side. And
but yeah, when you said we cut, well, John will know what to do about cutting the rings. Like you said, I just thought when you put the rings on, it hones to the right. Doesn't it just hone, or you have to?
You're honed to those rings and everything,
All right.
but those rings have to be compressed
Yeah.
to go in there
Right.
because then they come out and fit tight in the cylinder wall like they are.
Yeah.
And when he checks them, he'll only have 18 thousandths between the end gap in.
Okay. Oh, the end gap. That's right. So that's what I'm trying to get. I never heard that term.
I checked some of these rings that you had in there.
Yeah.
They were 30 thousandths or bigger.
Oh,
Ah,
that's terrible. Thank you so much.
Well, you could put one in there and look at it when you get back,
Yeah.
when you're putting it back together. Take one of the O-rings, look and you'll understand. It's just, that's why I said, it don't matter. Because I could have cut you one ring. I said, I'm going to put in one ring and do this work.
no. I wanted.
It's just setting a good rings, total seal. These are what we use in all the racing engines, everything. The best, they're handmade machined. I mean, they're all CNC done.
And they're the
Super.
right metal. Well,
Perfect.
the kind of steel they're made out of versus the factory stuff, there's quite a difference, isn't there?
Sure.
Is that, I'm sorry, is that stainless steel? Or what kind of steel?
No. It's a chromoly or something.
Yeah, ductile iron and chromoly top, ductile iron second, and stainless pressure.
I just want to get this in my head. When I take this home and put it on my engine stand, my dad made my engine stand when
He was a
not
machinist,
paralyzed.
and-
He was a sheet metal mechanic, and he got paralyzed later. But I got the engine stand from him, and I'm going to put this on the engine stand, and then I'll have it upside down, and then just drop the crank in.
Well, you got to put the
The bearing gun.
yeah, and then just use assembly lube or something and
Oil.
oil.
The only assembly they use on the cam stand.
Cam,
They don't want that
okay.
stuff because it isn't allowed. It just makes you put the ice in the oil you're going to use and the whole lot.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oil your bearings really good. You got to put your bearings in right with the holes on and the holes in the block and stuff.
Okay.
It's all simple. You just put oil in, work around it, place them all on the crank. Put the crank in there, you got to put the rim in seal in, you have to rim in seal.
Right.
Just turn the crank and
Oh
turn
yeah,
it.
and as far as the
And then when I-
journals for the cam itself, that looked lined out all right.
Yes, they were perfect. We didn't have to even change them.
Good, good.
Be careful putting them in there. You put a few marks on the bearings because if it's the rope, you gotta really be careful pushing in there. Don't slide it across.
Well, yeah, so we're gonna have John Ratton do it. He's
John
gonna
said good. He didn't
he's gonna do the critical stuff, and we're gonna.
Well, if you have any questions, just come also.
All right.
Everything should be fine. These are your bolts. You're using your studs. Your bolts will get them. We have to make them for you.
So you're gonna be out at Formosa the March meet this weekend.
Well, it will be a Bakersfield.
I mean, yeah, Formosa, yeah, yeah.
And then, well, another, I have the timing chain put the cover and all that. I'm gonna get some pretty bolts for the front.
Oh no, I was gonna go up front. I don't know if they sell sets of some pretty.
Well, for around the cover.
Yeah, the cover and the intake
You know, all
manifold.
that stainless stuff.
Yeah.
Have to figure out, make you a list of how many different sizes you want. Bring one of the old ones in and we'll fix up the
Yeah, I might have to. Yeah, we'll
Yeah,
figure
let's
that
see.
out.
rocker
Yeah.
cover guys with pan bolts and
Yeah, the rocker. Yeah, the cover bolts too. Okay.
all stainless, all good. Just like you want to not drag the combination of it. You'll have all stainless bolts in it and everything when it's done.
Oh. Oh, that's it. See, that's a fuel injection, or is that?
But that looks like a turbo over there.
Oh no, the
Supercharged.
turbo. Oh, it's got the blower. A turbo.
Yeah.
No, blower.
It has an injector, a pressure injector,
Look at this.
that injector that's on it. That's all, we polished all the inside.
It's like a 871. 871.
14.
14. Wow.
It's a tough drag strip, that's the plate that goes in between it. Remove it to make the most horsepower. Instead of like a most supercharger that are open all the way. This has a delta combination that goes on like this. The delta's right perfectly so it fits in the manifold. So it covers the blower and the blower sits on top of it. We O-ring the whole thing and do the whole shot. This injector sits on top of the blower.
Wow.
Top drag strip motor, this one here.
When we did the push rods, what brand do you suggest?
We make them, we get a length, everything, that's what we do. We make
Okay, no,
them.
then I'll
We
call
make
you
all
then
this
and
push
make
rod.
them.
But you, I don't know what push rod you have in there.
Well, they were
What are
just
the ones
whatever
that
the
you said
the,
that
the
you
little
said they
welded
break
the
off?
welded.
Yeah, it's
Ball.
spot welded ball.
Yeah.
So if you get the same length, or don't do it until after you get everything.
No, right.
together and check the length of the
Right.
rod that you need, you do it. Tell the length of it.
Wow.
These are made for this type engine.
Mhm.
And this engine has 450 pounds on the seat, 1,000 if you open. These push rods are 140,000 thick. They don't look really that much, but they're heavy. They have to be to handle it.
Well, yeah.
You'll use an 85 ball push rod.
Wow.
Let me see that. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow, that's heavy. Yeah.
You know, we make limited holes. There's only 45,000 holes on it. Also keep the oil down. See through them. Do the whole thing.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Well. Now I can roll her out there, Dolly. Wow. This is engine mecca. Yeah, I found out this one Mopar shop that we came across in Azusa area there. It was Bob Mosher. His dad used to write for Leave It the Beaver TV show. And he had all these great Mopars in there.